Hello everyone, this is Chi. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 3rd of March and I'm going to give you a quick update. Okay, so I have just loaded up a video from last week telling you what I did last week with my stocks. So I'm just going to give you an update now what I did with my stocks this week. Oh boy. It's a bit of a roller coaster ride. Okay, so on Monday, which was yesterday, we had a public holiday here in Perth, but the stock market was open. It was just a public holiday for Perth. And I decided to do some day trading. Okay, and I don't even know how to day trade really. I used the commsec site to do it, and I would probably not recommend that. Okay, don't trade unless you've got a lot of money. There's probably better sites that you can use for day trading, because the concept site is very expensive to trade. Yeah, like for day trading. NDQ and the stock market went up on Monday because of the rate cuts in America. So they lowered the rates, and that basically everyone started buying the stocks again. So it shot up. And then today it also shot up again. Now, I bought some stocks at the beginning of the day, and then I end up trying to sell it at the end of the day, which was unsuccessfully done. And I end up selling the stocks really in the beginning of this morning. And I end up making it quite a big profit from doing that. Now, I also bought some other stocks though from another, a single stock. And the stock that I bought was ZNO, which is basically called, I think it's called Zuna. And they basically are a company that is making antimicrobacterial types of cleansers that kills the coronavirus. Okay, and lately the stocks have gone really up, so I decided to invest in those stocks. But unfortunately today it went down. So funny how it goes down when you buy it, and then it was going right up, and it went up 16% in one day one time. So yes, my thoughts on day trading, I don't particularly like it. I think it's actually too stressful. I don't recommend it. Don't do day trading. Okay, it's really quite stressful, and it's quite expensive as well if you do it on the wrong application. So at the moment I still have stocks in this Zuno stock, the ZNO, and I have no stocks in the NDQ. And I'm thinking that tomorrow, if it doesn't go up, I'm going to sell it and get rid of it, and I'm just going to hold my stocks for a little bit and just watch the market. Yeah, so that's my update today on the 3rd of March, which is a Tuesday here in Perth. And yeah, so I'll give you an update at the end of this week, which is actually my last week in my 90-day money making challenge, investing in ETF stocks on the commsec pocket site. Okay, catch you soon. Bye.